With just 1 month to go, I'm excited about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 after seeing the latest live leaked photos and features. However, there are also speculations of a delay in the release and an increased price, which has me a little concerned. We've been hoping for a bigger cover screen, if that you've been following the upcoming Z Fold 6 leaks as closely as I have. In addition to being 2.8mm wider than the Z Fold 5, the Z Fold 6 appears to be far more evident in real-life photos. The larger aspect ratio and redesigned bezels help the Z Fold 6 appear wider than ever, even if the screen size has only increased by 0.1 inch. The Z Fold 6 will have smooth, consistent bezels throughout, similar to the S24 Ultra, in place of the bulky top and bottom bezels seen on the Z Fold 5. Though it will be far less obvious, the Z Fold 6 is taking inspiration from its beloved boxy, sharply angled design. Not only is the Z Fold 6 getting bigger than the Z Fold 5, but it's also getting substantially lighter. The thickness is one of the main causes of that. The Z Fold 6 benchmark scores have been recently leaked, and the device is noticeably thinner. This is the global variant, based on the model number, and it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This indicates that, contrary to earlier rumors, Samsung is not playing around with different processors for different locations, and Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 users everywhere will receive the same top-tier specifications. According to a reputable Greek rumor, Samsung may increase the cost of the Z Fold and Z Flip this year. We are discussing an increase of €100 in Europe and $100 worldwide. The Z Fold 6 launch date is also revealed in that same story. It states that Samsung's huge announcement event would be on July 24th, not July 10th, because Samsung is a key sponsor of the forthcoming Olympics, which begin on July 26th. Samsung intends to heavily promote their products in the run-up to the games, so don't take this leak too seriously, it's not the most trustworthy. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.